Welcome to the MicroMark workshop. Today we're going to discuss arbor presses and their usefulness. MicroMark offers two arbor presses. An arbor press is a hand-operated press. It is typically used to perform jobs such as staking, riveting, installing, stamping, and configuring and removing bearings and other press fit work. Arbor presses are an extremely versatile tool that is used in a wide range of professions, such as jewelers, clothes makers, automotive mechanics, and metal workers. There are just a few people who could find value in an arbor press, but even the do-it-yourself hobbyist can use an arbor press for everyday press jobs. Arbor presses range in tonnage from 5 pounds of force for precision jobs to 5 tons for heavy-duty machinery. Our Pressit, item number 83539, can produce up to 250 pounds of force. The 83539 Pressit is a sensitive arbor punch press that is small enough to give you the delicate touch needed for working with fine model instruments and clock parts, yet sturdy enough to apply 250 pounds of force. Used for fitting small parts together and for removing gears and wheels from axles. It features a 3/8 inch ram with a 3/16 inch counterbore on one end, which is here, to accept the interchangeable tooling that we provide. The package includes completely assembled press with a 3/32 inch press tip, die bore plug, the ram thumb screws, adjustable nylon and gib, and instructions. Constructed of steel and aluminum alloy, the base is 7 inches by 3 inches, and the throat depth is 4 1/4 inches. We offer 4 different accessories for this Pressit. The first is the 83708 9-piece tooling set. It includes a 1/16 inch tip bored cone for pointed axles, 3/16 inch blank, an oversized 1/2 inch outer diameter tip, a center punch tip, and a 1.5 2mm 3/32 and 1/8 inch bored tips. The 83709 is a 9-piece hole punch set for the Pressit. It includes 1 punch and 1 die in each of the following inch sizes: 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, and 1/8, plus the adapter needed to mount the punch to the bottom of the ram. The next item we have is 84424. It's a V-plate for the Pressit. It supports wheels and gears during axle removal. The 82878. This special rotating ram holds taps and drill bits perfectly vertical and eliminates the misalignment, cross-threading, stripping, and breakage caused by handheld tap holders and pin vices. The precision chuck holds shanks with diameters up to 0.165 inch, which is approximately 5/32, and it closes to 0 to hold the smallest of bits that we offer. It includes the knob, the ram, the chuck key, and instructions.